Where is ICCT going next, and should you buy, sell, or maybe wait on Icoreconnect? In this video, I'm going to cover technical analysis, price predictions, forecast outlooks, all below 2 minutes time. To do all of this, I'm going to use my strategy that has previously gotten me 300 plus wins in the last 7 months. So, my previous experience and expertise, it seems like we had some kind of split going on with ICCT for some reason. Yeah, there was a split going on. We're 16% up, sitting at 14 bucks. We're going to move the charts, but we don't even have to do that. I'm going to just explain a few things. So, this is not financial advice by any means, just something about basically the strategy that has been working for me the last 7 months, because I made 12,000 videos like this 3 years and only started seeing success in the last 7 to 8 months. And I'm sharing what has actually been working for me. So, ICCT, the price is 14 bucks, right? Today we're sitting at 14 bucks and we're 14% up. Go. Now, I'm actually going to delete everything. It's very hard to kind of just trace back from where we were. But looking at it from a weekly perspective, the price was actually somewhere above here, these ranges. So don't really like how we actually just moved to this situation right now. But if the price still starts to break above this high and actually closes above that high, that for me is going to be a bullish range. And only then am I going to start to look for potential upside moves, right? Because today we're Thursday and it's still not Friday. So we're going to see how that's going to close. This past week has been insane, 144% up. At least this is how it actually shows. Yeah, right. Maybe some more upside moves like this. I would actually, my rules are not met, so there is no point to actually make any type of prediction when you're not following your strategy. But this is my idea. So if you found any value, like the video and see ya.